Hey crafters, it's me Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and we're on to number 143. This is really getting to be a long series. I hope that you guys are still enjoying it. Please hit subscribe if you are loving it. Click that bell notification so you don't miss any of the videos. And remember, I do these particular 1 in 10 by Jen videos every Monday and Wednesday at 5 p.m. And if you want to learn something new and get into a technique, or just, do some fun play with some paper kind of things, join us on Fridays. And then every other Friday is a patron-only sale and a public sale on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And that's kind of our schedule as it sits right now. We'll see if that changes going into the summer, but let's get into this. This one is sent in to us from Cindy Wangen, and there's a whole bunch of stuff here that she sent in. I'm still going to need to go through and make myself a little card base because I haven't done that yet, but we've got 10 minutes. So, super cute. Look at these little cute little creatures. Adorable. So, I'm going to see what I can make out of this. Again, 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. So if you're unfamiliar with my channel, you've never been here before, if you join us on Quality Crafts on Facebook, we'll get you connected if you want to try this out. So I will make a card in 10 minutes, stamp the back with my information, and send it to the person that sent it to me, which is Cindy for this week. So thank you, Cindy, for sending your stuff out. I really appreciate it, and we're going to get started. And I am going to begin by moving my iPad. And I'm going to go ahead and make a card base. And judging by what she has here, I'm going to stick with a regular white card base and fold it in half so it'll be an A2 card. 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So I'm going to take some time here to fold this out. All right, so 4 1/4, and then just fold that over. And we're ready to roll. She's got a lot of matching stuff here, which is going to make this super easy for me. Really cute things. This is really pretty. I'd like to start off with the base being this gorgeous embossed image that she did. And I may put some glossy glaze on here. But let's go ahead and glue this down first. And then we'll get moving on to the other stuff. I've really gotten too close to the edge, so I've got some adhesive here, but if you rub it back and forth, it should just come right off. So there we go. This is really nicely cut out. I could use that as my base on the inside. I think that would be really fun since she's got it already cut out for me. That's super cute. We've got a little bit of vellum here to play with too. I'm not sure if I'm going to get that into or not. And my flower here is white. We have another little, oh, like this one is really cute. That could go on the inside. I'm going to cut off a little piece of it so you don't see the name. Which is going to make it a little bit wonky. I didn't get it perfectly straight. But when you're making handmade personal cards, they have no idea what anything looked like in advance. So they have no idea if you meant it to be wonky or you meant it to be straight. So you have a lot of personal play that you can do with making your own cards. So I'm going to put that in here, and that's going to be really cute. And I want to put the flowers on the card. So I'm thinking maybe we put a little bit of this purple and this. So we have a little bit access to that yet too. So this is going to be cut at 5 1/2. If there are a lot of scraps left, I will put them in our Crop in the New Year box. where I'll use all the info, not all of it, but you know what I mean, like pull from there to make stuff on the New Year crop. I feel like I'm all tongue-tied today. Okay, so let's add this on here. And then the little purple one to go across, and then we're going to add those little flowers at some point. That one is just a little bit too long. I'm going to chop the edge of that off here. Sorry you guys if you came on Monday and I didn't have mine out. I did an extra Zoom on Wednesday or Sunday, so I kind of lost my train of thought about how I do my times and get my stuff done, and I completely forgot about the 1 in 10. So if I put a little bit of vellum over the top of this and put it down the middle, that'll look really cool. So this is going to go down first. We've got these cute little butterfly things and little bugs, so I'm going to cut a couple of them out. So these will be able to like hang off the edge. I love the frog. Let me see if I can get that one to look at him. Should be able to see him pretty well. Isn't he cute? So we will do him. Try not to cut off his little legs. Oh, no wonder why that felt so heavy and I couldn't get through it. I accidentally had another little piece of paper attached to that. That is okay though. We'll fit her in. Okay. Super cute. I don't know if I'm going to use that because I want to get the flowers in here. These are going to be really cute. So I'm just going to use my fingers to kind of roll these up so the flower has a little bit of dimension, and I'm going to put that one in the middle, and then I'm going to start my way out. Because we are winding down in time, so I want to make sure I get a couple of these guys in here. Then maybe an extra little the purple ones as well. And a little maybe some kind of a gem. I like these cute little purpley gems, so let's try those on the purple one. Oh, that's cute. Super cute. Okay. And then I'm going to put in the smaller white one, so I'm going to go ahead and put that up. I don't know if I'll add those animals back in. We'll see. So that'll give us a little bit more of a dimension in there, and then I can use one of these guys, so maybe a pink one. Add that pink color back in. Cute. All right. You know what? Let's go ahead. We'll go ahead and put these guys on. So I'm going to put the frog over here jumping up. And my other little guy, this bug. Put this little bug on the bottom part. He's walking by. This is so cute. And you know what? I still have this little purple, or pink, what do you call it? This little butterfly. I'm going to put him on the inside as well. So we got a little bit of time here. Put him on the inside. That's so cute. I'm going to throw out these scraps because I kind of accidentally cut right into it. So there's just a little bit left that I could probably add to, did I forget? I forgot to put the vellum on there, you guys. Shoot. I was going to have the vellum underneath here, but I didn't do that. So, let's go ahead and do a little teal raspberry. That'll give it some shimmer and shine. That's really pretty. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that in the camera. I'm hoping so. Ooh, that thing is loud. All right, that is our end. So let's get the card into the camera so we can see the glimmer. Do you see the glimmer on the white? That's super cute. And then you got the little frog and the flowers and the turtle. And on the inside, we've got the little butterfly. Cute stuff, Cindy. You were number 148 in this series. Totally cool. I'm gonna put a little cleanup into this. These cute little things that are left over, obviously I explained in the beginning what we would do with those. We will save them. So if you want to save the date, if you don't have a lot to do on New Year's Eve and you just want to be with friends who like to craft and hang out or just chat, we'll like to see you for that at the end of the year. It's crap in the new year. It's usually from 8 p.m. to midnight. This is going to get stamped information on the back here, and then I'm going to save this for Cindy. She lives kind of close to me, so she'll probably drive by and grab that. Otherwise, if you are not near me, I just throw it into an envelope and I mail it right back out to you. So remember, join us on Facebook, Quality Crafts Facebook group. Answer the 3 questions so that we can let you in, because we like to keep that drama-free and commitment-free so that you can just enjoy yourself and be a part of a community and get connected. So if you'd like to do that, join us there. Otherwise, I cannot wait to see you guys next video.